Your transmission is slipping or the car won't move at all, so can you sell it without fixing it? Yes, and you usually shouldn't pay to fix it first. Here's why. Real owners are getting transmission quotes of $4,000 to $7,000. One person with a 2013 Malibu was quoted that range. Another got a $7,000 quote on a Nissan Kicks. A third was quoted $6,000 on a Hyundai Elantra that still drove, just not shifting right. On a higher mileage car, that's often near or above what the whole car is worth. So the one thing that changes your move is whether it still drives. If it still drives, even skipping gears, listed on Facebook Marketplace or a local group as a mechanic's special, and be honest about the transmission. Hobby mechanics can swap in a used transmission themselves, so they'll often pay more than a junk buyer. If it won't move at all, you're in parts and junk territory, and you'll want a buyer who tows it free. If you don't get serious offers, or you just want it gone fast without dealing with tire kickers, compare instant offers instead. Go to sellcaradvisor.com and enter your car's details. You'll mark whether it still drives and that the transmission isn't working, and you'll see what buyers will pay.